Integrating ShopWired with Google Ads can be a game changer for your online store's visibility, but it's not always straightforward. If you've been searching for an easy way to make that connection, this video will walk you through the process step by step, plus share some powerful alternatives that might actually work better for your goals. Let's dive in. First thing you'll want to do is set up a Google Ads account if you haven't already. This is critical since it's where your campaigns will run. You'll need to set up your
Campaign settings, define your target audience, and create your ad groups. If this is all new to you, don't worry, Google provides tons of resources to help guide you through it. Next thing, on ShopWired, you'll need to head into your admin panel and get access to your Google Merchant Center. This is where your product feed will live, which is necessary for Google Ads to display your products properly. Once you've connected your Google Merchant Center account to ShopWired, it's time to create your product feed. Your product feed will contain all the details of your products, like prices, descriptions, and images, which Google Ads uses to show relevant ads to the right audience. The third thing you should know is that, while ShopWired does offer some automation for this process, there are still a lot of manual steps involved, especially when it comes to product data. For instance, ensuring that your feed remains up to date and accurate can be a bit of a challenge. If any product info changes on your store, you'll need to manually update it in your feed, which could create some gaps if not handled properly. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the integration with Google Ads itself. Once the product feed is ready, you'll need to link it to Google Ads. ShopWired allows you to sync your product catalog directly to Google Ads, so your products are eligible to appear in search results and shopping ads. However, don't expect this process to be entirely hands-off. You'll still need to manually configure your Google Ads campaigns to ensure they're running optimally. Now, let's talk about something ShopWired doesn't do as well, the flexibility of their ad creation tools. While it offers some customization, you might find it lacking compared to some other platforms. For example, you can't fine-tune your campaigns with as much granularity or automation as some competing solutions, which means more work for you. That leads us to the alternatives. If you're looking for something more robust than what ShopWired offers, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce may offer a better integration with Google Ads. They come with pre-built integrations, making it easier to manage your Google Ads campaigns directly from the platform without all the manual setup. These tools also tend to have better reporting features, so you can track your ad performance more easily. Lastly, don't forget about tracking and optimization. Once everything is set up, you'll want to track the performance of your ads and make adjustments. If you're using ShopWired, Google Ads does give you some reporting tools, but again, the level of customization might leave you wanting more. So, consider alternatives that provide more intuitive analytics and real-time optimization features. Now, here's something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll not only get access to an extended free trial of ShopWired, but you'll also discover alternatives that might actually be a better fit for what you're trying to achieve. Plus, they come with free trials too. These alternatives could give you more flexibility, better integrations, and smoother ad management than ShopWired. Make sure to check out the links for the best offers and exclusive benefits just for you, so you can make the right decision for your store.